What are we doing, Miles?
Oh, hello. So here's the thing. You might look at a piece of brass and think about a piece of brass and say, it's easy. But 9 times out of 10, it's not easy. And that is the exact scenario I found myself in today. Let's go show the class what I was working on. So, we need to make Sousaphone guard wire because we're making a bunch of Sousaphone necks for a industrial customer. So basically this is really overbent, but we just need to take flat brass and break it like that, which is easy. And then you start doing it and you're like, oh shit, this is not easy.
And then you have to do it for 1,000 necks.
Then you gotta make 1,000 Sousaphone necks. The astute among you may remember that there are companies that make custom shaped wire. I have emailed every single company that makes custom shaped wire in the United States, and 2 got back to me. 1 said no quote, and the second one, I have like 30 emails between us in this company, and nothing. So I left a really bad Google review. So I gotta make my own fucking custom brass wire, and it's not easy. So, anyways,
but it might be easy.
it is actually pretty easy if you have the right tools. So let's go show you how I tried to do it earlier today. So ruined the best joke of the video, which is me covering the actual solution with my body. No! I had this made on Alibaba. This little dapping thing, I've obviously modified it quite a bit to try to get it to work. This little press, I don't actually know the tonnage on it. It doesn't say anywhere. It's like probably like a 1/2 ton or a 1 ton press. It just doesn't have the beans to do it.
No beans.
It doesn't have the beans. But this is already dapped, but essentially my goal was to just cut them to length and then go, and it just doesn't work. To get this one to come out, I had to go, and then go. If you know anything about anything, doing that 1,000 times would suck. So.
Wouldn't be great.
Doesn't work. If I had a press brake, like a big press brake, it would work.
Okay, the piece de resistance.
So, the piece de resistance. So, originally, I have to make 2 guard wires. I have to make this one, which is stupid, and the other one, which is a 1/2 round, which is actually like a real wire. But again, custom brass wire in New Hampshire or some bullshit. Never got back to me about my custom brass wiring needs. So this is my solution, which we just dreamed up. I'm out of breath. That was a lot of walking. This is...
You walked up 11 steps, Miles is out of breath.
Potentially the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. This is a rolling mill. This is the cheapest eBay, Alibaba rolling mill you can buy. We've been hand cranking French bead wire for a while because we make our own wire because you can't get custom brass wire. So you can't, so we have to make our own, which is cool and it's easy, except for like when you're making 2 bells, cranking the wire is fun. When you gotta make like 100 bells, it's like, oh, it's kind of a lot. So
that blows.
I kept buying motors to try to motorize this thing, and they were all like weird. So no, this is my motor. Her name is Cincinnati.
This motor is straight out of Ohio.
So pretty much, it's pretty cool. Was this our test piece?
No. Wasn't that the?
Oh, this was our test
that
piece.
was our test piece.
That was our test piece, and it works. But it came out all crooked, so we had to tweak. If these rollers aren't perfectly parallel, it'll do this.
It does.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a slight curve to the right, if you know.
They sell pills
You
for
know
that
what I
now.
mean. Do they?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
That's
Is
a
that
real
actually
thing.
Really?
It's a real thing.
You turn the machine on, and guess what? It's just it's a free gear motor.
It just goes.
She just goes, and she wiggles a little bit.
It's fully OSHA compliant.
This is like a strictly Miles operation.
Because
kind of
our
horrifying.
insurance doesn't cover other people running this
This
video.
is kind of horrifying for that.
Oh yeah, it's terrifying.
But this YouTube channel is called Miles O'Malley, not the name of a company that I may be associated with. So, anyways, so it's sheet. It's 80,000 stick sheet of 2mm thick sheet that is slitted. My brass company slitted it to 5/16, which is super nice. I didn't know they could do it that thin. And I put some zip ties on our baby here so she can...
Oh, you're like going for the gusto.
Yeah, we're going to do a big piece, because if we can't do a really long piece...
Well, what's the point? Yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay. Here's the trick. This is just like taking bandsaw blades apart. All they want to do is kill you. So, the best thing to do is go... So, turn the machine on. Look at that. Look at that.
How long until you get impatient and up the spindle speed?
Not very long. Oh, we're getting towards the end, boys!
Whoa.
And girls. Girls are welcome too. Even though like 80, 90%, 98% of our viewership is 40-year-old men.
I'll put the YouTube analytics on the screen right now.
I'm pretty sure it's all 40-year-old men. Specifically with no hair. We're approaching the end of the fruit by the foot.
We're getting so close.
It might be the best thing I've ever done. Like, just in my life.
Sorry, Yushin.
I think it's better if I pull this way a little bit on it. So you can come out straighter. Look at that! Look at that!
Yeah, look at it.
Here, give me the digs here. Look at that! What happened? How is that even? Okay. Wire is pretty cool. You guys want to see a trumpet and a honing machine in a basement? Okay, let's go do that.